Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the master component and making deliberate edits. This is the source of truth. First, rename and tidy variants so designers can find them. Once done, verify auto layout, constraints, and link styles to avoid broken instances. Make small, focused changes and add a clear description with the intended version number. This prevents confusion later. Finally, test one instance in a sandbox file to ensure the master change behaves as expected before you proceed to publish. Now you methodically address the middle steps. Audit every instance and resolve overrides that could conflict with the master. Make sure color and text styles are synced, and update any design tokens or aliases so downstream files inherit changes. Reorganize components into well-named pages or folders and create a concise changelog entry explaining impactful edits. You should preview changes in multiple screen sizes and review responsive behavior to catch layout regressions before publishing. You're ready to publish. Push the new library version with a succinct summary so teammates know what changed. After publishing, immediately test in real project files and validate that instances updated correctly and layout stayed intact. Inform the team of the version and rollback plan. If something breaks, don't panic. Check that the file is connected to the correct library, confirm styles mapped correctly, and as a last resort detach and reapply the component. That often resolves mismatched overrides.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.